Hey, what is up guys? My name is Jack Hardstaff, for those of you who don't know me. Currently 7:15, we are still at this beautiful place. Yeah, sorry, I'm really tired, I just woke up. Alright, so we're going to Nong Peng. It's like a 6-hour drive. Then we're gonna leave here about 9 o'clock. On the way we're gonna probably visit a museum, a minefield museum, check out some mines and that, and also might check out a temple if lucky. But yeah, we're gonna go on a boat ride too. We've got about 30 minutes to leave now. Let's get it. What the? Alright, so we are at the Mine Museum. We're gonna check out everything, have a listen. There's rares we've been given. The founder of this place, his name was Akira, I think it was. He used to fight for the Khmer Rouge. I think that's how you pronounce it, the Khmer Rouge. Then deflected later on to the Cambodia army. What he did in the Khmer Rouge was he planted mines around Cambodia, dropped mines and that. But later on, he ended up deflecting to the other side, Cambodia army, but because like found out what he was doing wasn't right. And yeah, later on after the war, he basically vowed that he would clear all mines. He helped clear all the mines around Cambodia. There's lots of schools and kids and innocent people getting blown up by mines that were still around at the time in Cambodia, like this mine's still around at this time. So at the moment he's still going around clearing out all the mines and everything. What he's doing is amazing, and this museum that he opened, it's got a lot of the mines that he's deactivated and found around all of Cambodia, which is a lot. But I recommend, if you can, you come to this museum, the Cambodian Landmine Museum. What they used to do was use sticks to actually deactivate them. But now they don't let them do it anymore, so they just blow them up. They can with TNT or something. But anyways, we gotta get back on the bus now. Got a 6-hour drive ahead of us. So yeah, I'll see you guys in Nong Peng. Yeah. Alright, we are off the bus. How we get on these boats down here? like a mystery. Oh, we got bananas. are back off the boat. Back on the bus, 2-hour trip. Here we come. This is different. We are finally at the apartment. Today's been an alrightish day. Like, today's been a really busy day. We got here about 2 o'clock, but it's about 7 o'clock now. Yeah, when I got here, I just straight away jumped in the pool and just off for the rest of the day. We have to go head out for dinner now to another hotel, because we're not having dinner here for some reason. No idea why. Probably food might be bad or something, I don't know. But this time we got actually 3 beds. About time. Still steaming hot, I'm sweating. Got me cross on. Respect. Holes in it if you got OCD. Yeah, that is the vlog. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. My name is Jack Hardstaff and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy, guys. Peace.